Good morning, gentlemen. It's the 3rd of January. We are Signal Centre Talking Ball. This is episode 35. Joe Neighbour, Steve O'Hare, Ian Coleman. How are we, gentlemen?
All very well. You, Joe?
Yeah, not bad. Thanks, mate. It's my little girl's birthday today. She's 11 years old.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Phoebe.
Happy birthday, Phoebe.
Yeah, fun and
11.
games this weekend.
What are you into these days at 11?
Answering back.
Yeah, answering back. She's really good at that.
Being too clever. Being too clever for their own good.
Yeah, all that.
Just Smiggles. Is it
becoming a
Smiggles
young
or has
woman.
she grown out of Smiggles? Smiggles is the thing in it at the moment.
Just, yeah, she's into TikTok, making TikToks. I don't know.
Oh,
if
they're
you've
like
seen
little
what they
videos, aren't they?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's all over that.
Yeah.
So she's got a few friends sleeping over tomorrow, which will be fun.
Oh, nice.
Right, okay.
Just what I need.
No sleep.
No.
It's a few years until they'll be raiding the old booze cabinet, which is a result. I suppose.
Yes. I prefer that. They probably go to sleep earlier.
That's true.
Okay, so let's have a quick look at what happened yesterday. We did our 3 trades. Steve, you got a nice win on silver.
Lovely. I told you I was taking it seriously this year.
Yeah, and absolutely you are. Two wins in a row. Not quite the 7R that you got the day on the trade previous, but...
No, I don't want you to look too pathetic.
No, indeed. And Ian, you had a nice win on Aussie dollar.
Aussie dollar. It would have been nice if you'd run it overnight, but
0.7R, and I got stopped on the Bitcoin. So overall, made up a bit of ground there. And Steve, you're back nicely in the black. Overall,
Hey.
36.1% overall.
Okay,
lovely.
right.
Yeah. So all looking pretty good. So with that, Steve, it's your honour, unless you want to nominate somebody else.
Oh, we can nominate. I like that. Well, I mean, with World War III kicking off, I think I've got to go for gold, really.
Yeah.
So I'll I'm looking really ideally to buy a dip this morning, but that's
in
not
what?
an option.
Sorry,
Gold.
gold.
Hold on, I've got the wrong screen up there.
We'll come on to the
Oh,
news
hang on.
to discuss. Oh no!
Yeah.
Disclosed your positions there.
No, I'm going to a show. That's what he said. I'll show you again. That one. No. So gold. Looking at gold. This is what I'm looking to do today. Ideally buy a dip. It's broken. Where's it all gone now? It's all gone wrong.
Yeah.
Get rid of that. Obviously, I was looking for this before Christmas. This sell-off to continue down to back to the neckline. Hasn't continued. It's decided 14.45 is low enough for the moment. Now we've got the big level at 15.57 that I expect to break in the not too distant future. And this will the measured move target for this is. Well, let's give you exactly where the measure move target for this is.
It looks like a big daily wedge as well, breakout. We should take it up towards new highs.
The measure move target for this is up at $1,700. So hold on to your hats.
Yeah.
I don't expect that today, although
Not unless President Trump takes someone out again.
Yeah, I know he's a bit of a liability, that boy, isn't he? But that's what we've seen over the last 2 weeks in gold. Obviously, there's tension building up, bit of safe haven drive. 15.57 is within easy reach. So I'm going to go longer gold at current levels. So I'll say it's 15.45. I'm even giving you a tick on that.
Okay.
The stop on it will be 5. Hold on,
5 ticks.
5 ticks. I think I've got to put 500 in. Yeah, that's it. And my target will be, I think if we get to that 15.57, probably go higher. So I'm going to go for it. I'm going to go
1,600. Nice round number.
Yeah, 1,600 is good. Joe, thanks for that. Look at that. Look at that, Daddy-O. What does that look like? Right. So I see North Korea shouting about something as well. So yeah,
Christ. What's the R on that?
R on that is 11.
R 11 for 11,
11.
for Phoebe.
Yeah, 11.
Come on,
11
Phoebe.
years old.
Have we all got to do 11 hours today?
You can do, but I'm the expert in it.
Yeah.
So at your peril. Over to you, E.
I hate everything this morning.
Just naturally in life.
Yeah, exactly. This is, I'm not taking this trade, but this is Aussie CAD. And I think that's a perfect storm trade for what's going on at the moment, because you've got safe haven selling. So they're selling Aussie dollar, or the market is selling Aussie dollar because the Aussie yen trade unwinds, etc., with stocks moving to the downside. So you've got sell off in the Aussie base of it, and then the Canadian dollar is strengthening because of the move higher in oil. So as you're seeing, Aussie CAD is moving to the downside, but we have a little trend line here, and we're seeing a little bounce higher. The long-term target for this Aussie CAD, and this is a daily chart, is down here at 88.18, but I'm not looking at that because it's gone too far. And what I'm actually looking at is a trade that we have taken this morning, and it's already gone.
Oh no.
So this is the daily chart on Canadian dollar, trendline support. I've tried to fudge a ending wedge. I don't think it's probably going to break, but this is the trade that we've took this morning for our direct clients, which was at 129.68, and we're now trading at 129.82. So I'm going to have to move that up to there, and I move my stop to there. I've got to get an 11, haven't I?
Oh, that's not far away. It's all right. That looks like about 8.
Move this over here. It's only 5 at the moment.
Oh, only 5.
No, 5.5. Can I have half of 11? Here you go. 5.5.
5.6.
5.6. That'll do me.
Is that stop all right there?
It'll have to be, because I need 5.6 to know.
Okay. All right. No point in carrying on if you don't get 5.6.
No, exactly. So I'm buying at 129.82, target 131.02, and a stop at 129.61.
Okay, lovely.
Over to you, Joe.
What have I got? I mean, I'm struggling really. Obviously, there's been some big moves already this morning. So just purely looking at chart or candlestick patterns, this is the 1 hour chart on CAD Swiss. So a little bit exotic, but we've had a go at trying to break above this high here from the 16th of December, which is at 74.93. I've had a little bit of a look above it, and then what looks to be a reversal, shooting star candle. So I'm going to just sell on the back of that, really.
I like that.
Very simple. Not really much thought behind it other than just looking at it purely from a candlestick perspective. If I was looking to be sensible, then I'll be looking for a target there probably at 74.10, which is the previous lows. But because I'm looking for an 11R, I'm going to stick it down here a bit lower.
Get in there.
With a stop just above that high. So really tight, sort of 12 ticks stop. And I'm going to target 73.57.
Lovely.
So currently 74.87. So we'll see how that goes.
They're lovely.
So obviously we made a few references to what happened overnight with regards to the geopolitical tensions between the Middle East and the US. For those that don't know, there was a US airstrike on Baghdad airport, and it killed a senior Iranian military commander who was also a key Iraqi militia leader. So it's triggered some aggressive verbal responses from Iran. I think it's worth also noting that Iran's key allies are Russia and China, which is a bit of a concern. So I hope Mr. Trump or President Trump knows what he's doing in engaging those guys. So all a little bit tense to start the new year, and obviously some jumpy price action as a result of that in equities and foreign exchange, and of course commodities.
I'll tell you what, though, Trump's not boring, is he?
No.
Just as you think we're all just waiting for the 15th of January signing of the trade deal, he goes and does something else. Trigger happy Trump.
So oil was up 4% overnight. Is that right? WTI.
Yeah.
Boom.
And gold obviously had a strong move, and Steve's looking to try and capitalise further on that today. Data-wise, yesterday, I mean, it all just seems a little bit inconsequential now, considering what's happened overnight. But we do have some important data due out today as well. Kicking off with the German unemployment, which is due out in 4 minutes. That's expected to hold at around about 5%. Then we've got UK construction PMI, forecast to rise to 45.9 from 45.3. Then we've got German CPI at 1, US manufacturing at 3 p.m, crude inventories at 4, and then we've got FOMC minutes this evening as well.
Which is a bit mad on a Friday.
Yeah, obviously no non-farm payroll today, which is not normally the case. It's normally the first Friday in every month, but been pushed back to next week.
Okay. Lovely.
I don't think anybody's going to be around at 7 o'clock, are they?
I certainly won't be.
None of us might be around if it carries on escalating.
Yeah, this may be the last version of Talking Ball ever. Let's hope not, eh?
No, yeah. The world won't end at the weekend. Surely that'd be too cruel.
Yeah. Anything else to add, anybody?
Tip of the day. Trading tip of the day.
Oh, yes. What you got, Steve?
Just because someone goes for 11, I
don't follow him.
Wise words.
Perfect.
Don't do something that you don't. Make a plan.
Trade a plan. That's it.
Absolutely.
Stick to your plan, your own plan. Nothing else but the plan.
But if you do like these ideas that we've given you this morning, then
you're mad.
Yeah, have a go. We're up 36%.
Yeah, you're definitely mad if you have a go at those.
Okay, well, let's wrap it up there then, guys. Have a lovely weekend, everybody.
Yeah, enjoy your birthday party.
Cheers. We'll everyone should be back to normal on Monday.
Okay, hopefully. Fingers crossed.
See you guys.
Have a good one. See you.